Gearboxes. As part of the 2023 season, all gearboxes are to be sealed. Now that's done by the engine sealers, not by us. We offer rebuilt gearboxes, all right, race ready rebuilt gearboxes. You know, we like to do your gearbox up, but we do have the opportunity to also do exchange gearboxes, and we can also supply gearboxes outright. I probably should have mentioned that the gearbox must be removed from the vehicle for the inspection to actually be completed. Inspectors don't, or the sealers don't actually need to, split the gearbox or pull it apart at all. It's all done as a visual test. They've got some tools that they put in there, and they do some rotation tests and things like that to work out what ratios that are in there. So even if you got a car, you want it done, but you don't know how, you can bring the car to us. We can remove the gearbox. We can arrange the sealer to come out. We can arrange for them to do their tests, and then they can seal it. We can put it back in. Alternatively, while it's out, we can always pull it apart, inspect it, give you an idea of where you're at with it. If you want it rebuilt, we can do that at the same time as well. If you're interstate, you want your gearbox done, send them over. When you go to get the gearbox back from us, it will come fully sealed with an engine seal like this one. So any questions, any queries, don't hesitate, give me a call, send me a message. I'm here to help.